Hey guys, welcome back again on this channel, and I hope this channel is going to definitely helpful for you. So please subscribe to this channel if you are new on my channel and support me so that I will definitely post a lot of videos for you. And in this video, what I'm going to tell you about the English content, that how you can learn, you can make your fluency. So what happened most of the time, most of the people who had tell me that, ma'am, how to improve it, because I watch a lot of contents on the podcast or at TED Talks or anywhere, but it doesn't work for me. So I think, you have to choose those kind of person, in whether it is in your life or whether it is your virtually or anywhere wherever you find. So just pick it up and try to follow in them, okay? Because just for example, if I am telling you that you are watching my channel, so I am like speaking with you like a native speaker, okay? So like this way, when you start to talk about with someone, so what happened, gradually you will learn that how we can also talk with other people and how we can start our conversation. This is how we learn, okay? Like, so in this way we can learn a lot of things from this particular channel of this particular area. So and in the same way, like, you can also do a lot of work like this. So basically my my motive to you, to give you this, to convey you that you should also do the same thing, to apply any channel. Just pick it up one channel and try to follow it regularly, and when you follow regularly, you will definitely improve your conversations, and it will improve a lot of things, like how we can hold ourselves, in which time we can start our conversation at a loud point, and how we can make slow our conversation. So it is on our command, and we can control it by learning gradually. Since you started to speaking something, so you would not be able to how where I control it, where I speak loud, where I speak slow. This will come from the continuous process of this learning. Like, so we have to work like this. When you start to work from today, so you have to work for every day for this. Maybe it is your according to your time, according to your free time. It could be 1 hour, 1.5 hours, or 2 hours. It's totally depend on you, right? It's totally depend on your capacity, that how you want to become fluent, how much you want to take time. So it's totally depend on you, right? So it is only up to you, that how much you are interested to learn fastly, or you want to take time. Then you will learn more. You want to learn slowly and gradually. So this is how we learn. That it is the technique that I am telling you, and you can follow it. And since if you started to following it right now, so definitely within a month or after the month, you will definitely find a lot of improvement within you. And you know what, when something some improvement not doesn't come, so it means that our efforts are not our expectation, it doesn't complete our expectation. So we have to improve it, and we can improve by our hard work, right? So we have to work hard and see things definitely come soon with what you want in your life. So thank you so much for listening me at the end, and you can subscribe to this channel, and you will learn a lot of things that I have uploaded a lot of videos in the previously. You can go and check out my previous channels videos, playlist of that I have uploaded. So thank you so much. We will be coming soon with the next video, and I'll hope that video will go definitely too helpful for you. So till then, bye bye, take care, and keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you so much.